Okay, open it.
Oh, there's little pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow! Open it, open it. Say thank you, Tatay. Wow, and thank you, Nanay. Wow! It's a toy gun.
Look, I got a bill.
Pew, pew, pew.
Wait, let's go.
Okay, there. Yeah. Woo! Oh, one more. Oh, kasa mo ulit. Kasa. Kasa. Ikasa mo muna. The top. Yeah, para pumunta yung bala. No, not yet. Kasa mo pa. Saan? Oh, one more. Wow. Okay, open it up. This is from Zion to Zion from Tita Janelle. Okay, open. Open. Open it.
Oh, the ball.
Wow. It's a ball and the ring. Thank you, Tita Janelle. Thank you, Jubel, for this raffle.
1, 2, 3, go!
Raffle prize. Excited na si Gio. Open.
Noodles!
What noodles? Oh, ang galing.
Instant noodle!
Instapot. Wow, lutuan. Social na mo ng Instapot. Okay, let's see who it came from.
Baby.
Binaba. Antay muna. Ito pa pala. To Zion, happy holidays. From Elias. Thank you, Elias. Here, open here. Dito ka, dito. Yung hair mo, ayos mo muna yung hair. Okay. Wow, what's that? You say thank you, Elias. This is to Karine from Mariano family. Thank you, Loy and Inad and Elias. Open it. Dahan-dahan. Dito ka. Dito ka sa baba. Baka mahulog.
There's a hole there.
Okay, open it. What's that? What do you think it is? Ano sa tingin mo yan?
It's a box.
Basahin muna ni Mami before you open. Ayan na, Loy. Inupakan na ni Z. Okay. Thank you, Ate Elise.
Thank you, Ate. For Ate.
Wow, what's that? Open it. Okay, Mommy will open. Sino man po nagbigay ng gift na to? Thank you so much. My happy face. Sarain mo na. Yan. Sa winner yan ang games. Wow, nice. Palmer's product. Nice, thank you. Siguro ano din yan, sa panalo din. Pero thank you kung sino man po ang nagbigay. Mas pa eh. Open it. Sira mo. Dahan-dahan. From Tita Jeremy, open. Jeremy, thank you so much. Thank you, Kat. Ang ganda naman ng regalo mo. Napapanahon. Thank you. This gift is from Dear Zion. Happiest Christmas and wonderful New Year. Love, Ate Ali and Tita Jeremy. Thank you, Jeremy and Ate Ali. Open it, open it. Just see now the bag. Okay. Wow, damit. Nice. Thank you po kung sino mang maibigay nito. Walang pangalan eh. Ang ganda naman ng regalong to. Lip stain and body sugar scrub. Nice.
Ouch!
Ate Karine, Merry Christmas from Ira. Thank you, Ira. Thanks, Ira. Thank you po sa gifts this year. Wow.